So guys, welcome back to the channel. What we're doing today, we're just gonna upgrade the head unit here, and we're gonna replace it with a new eBay tablet based version. To get this off, there's quite a few tutorials on the tube, so you can check those out, but you'd first have to take that off, get a small Allen that fits in there, continue to turn it until it's loose enough. Once you're done, you can go ahead and pull that out, but at the back of this will be this connector here to the side. So all you do is just go and squeeze, flip this down, and pull out. That's what it looks like. And this radio is the one without the DSP. So depending on what unit you're getting, they're going to ask you if it has the DSP button or symbol or writing on there, and that should inform you as to what aftermarket connectors you're going to need for that. Alright, in addition to that, you'd need to remove this as well, and I believe the space for the Allen is right under there or there somewhere, both sides. Yank this out, and there's a massive connector on the back here, and you just go and remove that. You're also going to have to contend with this brace in the middle here. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. It looked like they're held in by Phillips screws there. Alright, and you're going to have to get this entire section out in order to install your new radio. And from what I was told, this and to get this loose is going to be the same idea. You have that lever here, you're gonna have to get that back and just yank it out. You should be good to go. You also have the antenna wire there to contend with. Guys, the slight challenge we're facing here is behind here is a piece of plastic that comes behind this dash piece right here. Same on this side. So when you try to yank it forward, you're getting that obstruction from that plastic. See that? It's not going to let you bring it all the way through, so decisions have to be made. Hold one. And just like that, guys, some decisions were made. As you can see, that's what was holding up progress. Like I said, decisions were made. Alright, so we hope the unit that's coming fits in here perfectly, and we won't have to retrofit this thing. Alright, so a quick look at the unit. You have an SD card, Navi, we have a presets, volume button, big screen, equalizer, set up for your phone, tuning, reset button, of course, that's where it's made. We have all those sockets there, or plugs, or area for the plugs to go into. Alright, so we got the GPS antenna routed and through here. Okay, and on the back of this we have the Wi-Fi hooked up, and we're gonna hook up the GPS and of course the power plug there, and we're gonna hook in the antenna, and then take it from there. First we have to find out how to mount these puppies here, and or location and everything, and we're gonna size it up and be right back. So guys, we have sound. I almost wrote this thing off that it wasn't, you know, the right one, but this plug here didn't look like it would mate up with this thing, but it did. So we are cooking, and you can hear some feedback right there. Right, so it looked like we are on the right path. And there you go. We're getting feedback. So that's a good thing, guys. That's it. We're cooking, guys. Just a little fitment issue up here, but not too bad. Nothing we can't fix. All right. So another job well done. We have iGo for the navigation system. Touchscreen is very responsive. We got our FM. Yep, so you get the idea, guys. That's it. Another job well done.